This is the Wombat bag. It's constructed from a 100% nylon that's water resistant. It's 16 inches high by 11 inches wide and 3.5 inches deep. And why is that important? Because this is a packing cube that converts into a backpack. It is your ultimate adventure buddy. You have a two-way zip on your main compartment with rope zipper pull accents. Open it up and there's 2 additional mesh pockets, one on the front here and one on the back. Zip that back up. There is a front zipper closure pocket, plenty of organizational options, KAVU patterned webbing handle carry, and an additional top entry pocket on the back, which holds your adjustable backpack straps, which you can just hook to your D-rings on the bottom down here. And the reason we love taking this on our KAVU travel adventures is because you can organize in your rolly luggage or your duffel, whatnot. Maybe you're carrying a little feller. And then when you get to your location, this just converts into your day pack. That's the Wombat.